To care for those who once cared for us and still do is one of the highest honors. Namaste. So here I am with my Miss Golden Heart project, Mission the Second Innings of Life, where I interacted with the senior citizens who were being disowned by their own family and children to know their stories and to spread awareness among the society so that the people in future does not abandon their parents and to show them the equal love and support they gave when they were young. India's 50% parents in old age live miserably, lonely, isolated, without care and support. According to the United Nations Population Fund and HelpAge India, the population of senior citizens in India is expected to reach 173 million by 2026, and they will constitute one-fifth of the country's population pie by 2050. Parallel to their growth, problems are also increasing simultaneously in the changing cultural scenario, and loneliness is one of the most terrifying aspects of their life. The question that I want to raise today is why India's youth are abandoning their parents and why the elderly are being left out in the cold in a land that reveres the old. According to a report, some of the abuses we found are as brutal as severe beating of elderly people by their own sons, daughters, and daughters-in-law. It also says that in more than 50% of the abuse cases, the perpetrators are family members, with the son being the primary abuser in over 56% of the cases, followed by daughters in 23% of cases. The most common reason for the abuse is property related. These stats are truly heartbreaking, and I hope that in the coming years it gets better. Our country gets better. And shockingly, I came across the story of an 82-year-old Amrit Lalji who was forced to commit suicide because his own children, his own family disowned him, and he had nowhere to go, nowhere to live, and no reason to live. In today's society, where a normal adult having such thoughts is considered so alarming, just imagine what would have happened to a senior citizen that he took this step, and it was really very heartbreaking. Then I came across a few mothers who couldn't control their emotions while sharing their stories with me, just because they missed their children, the children who disowned her, the society who didn't accepted her, and the family who never cared for her. But still, today also, even after being left out for so many years, they still miss their family, their children, and want to see them in front of our eyes, see them grow. That is the truth of our society. And I hope that with this platform, I'm able to spread awareness among the society, among the people of our country, to not mistreat their parents or any senior citizen they come across, because the only thing they need is your love and compassion. And in the end, I would like to request each and everyone who's watching this video to make a step forward and to take this oath with me. I, Priyansha Yadav, vow to stand by the people who gave me life, their love and support, and molded me to who I am today, when they themselves can no longer stand strong. I vow to spread awareness and love to the elderly, whose day gets lit up even with the tiniest bit of our time.